My name is Billy Chow, and I am a biology major working on a master's in biotechnology through the combined BA-MS 5-year program. I am interested in pursuing research because I was always curious about how the earth works. As a child, I would pick out books about microorganisms, health, and animals from the science section of the library. I knew from that moment on that I wanted to become a scientist. This past semester, I took a rigorous lab course called Project Laboratory Biotechnology, where I worked on two projects in a team. In the first project, I investigated the DNA damage of five antibiotics. We confirmed the RET promoter and Lux operon reporter gene on the chromosome of E. coli through sequencing. RET is a promoter involved in the E. coli SOS response mechanism, which is responsible for repairing DNA that is damaged. We constructed a control where the Lux operon was cloned into the chromosome. The Lux operon was used as a reporter for indicating RET promoter activation. We assayed the E. coli bacteria containing the RET promoter Lux construct and control isolate with AZT, a known SOS inducer. In the second project, we investigated the proteins that interact with REM2 using the yeast-2 hybrid screening technique. We know that REM2 is a protein that is expressed in neurons and is responsible for regulating dendritic growth and synaptic formation. In our yeast-2 hybrid, we used the human kidney cDNA library as a query protein to test for possible interactions with REM2. From working in a lab, I learned that I enjoy thinking critically about science and inferring possible reasons for an experimental result. I learned that my strengths are being able to handle deadlines, working in a team, and feeling motivated to do research. My weakness is in communicating my findings to a non-science audience. However, I am improving my communication skills by taking classes that challenge me to give a science presentation in front of the class. I am also interested in the business of the life sciences because I want to know what drives drug and medical technology prices. I learned that the goal of biotechnology is to use a scientific phenomenon to make our lives easier, whether in agriculture or the medical field. I feel learning about the business of biotechnology will allow me to be a better scientist because I will be conscientious whether the products I am making are profitable and I can participate in conversations with business leaders. I am excited to work in the life sciences because I want to be involved in industrial, medical, or agricultural research. I want to use simple processes in biology to solve biological problems and improve lives.